Welcome back to Throttle Tribe. Let's dive into the 7 best new motorcycles for long-distance travel in 2025. Number 1, Yamaha Tracer 9 GT Plus. The Yamaha Tracer 9 GT Plus is a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation and rider comfort. Powered by an 890cc liquid-cooled inline 3-cylinder engine, it delivers a robust 117 horsepower at 10,000 RPM and 68.6 lb-ft of torque at 7,000 RPM, ensuring a spirited yet smooth ride. One of the standout features of the Tracer 9 GT Plus is its advanced electronic suite. It boasts a world-first radar-linked unified braking system, which enhances safety by adjusting braking force based on real-time traffic conditions. Additionally, adaptive cruise control and integrated ride modes allow riders to tailor the bike's performance to their preferences and riding conditions. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The bike comes equipped with semi-active suspension, heated grips, and ergonomically designed seating to ensure that long hours in the saddle remain pleasant. With its combination of performance, technology, and comfort, the Tracer 9 GT Plus is a formidable choice for long-distance touring. Number 2, BMW K1600 GTL. BMW's K1600 GTL is synonymous with luxury touring. At its heart lies a 1,649cc inline-6 engine producing an impressive 160 horsepower and 129 lb-ft of torque. This power plant ensures effortless acceleration, even when fully loaded with gear and a passenger. The K1600 GTL is equipped with a suite of features aimed at enhancing the touring experience. Its dynamic ESA, electronic suspension adjustment, provides optimal damping settings on the fly, adapting to changing road conditions. The bike also offers a comfortable upright seating position, heated seats and grips, and a comprehensive infotainment system with navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and audio controls, ensuring riders remain connected and entertained throughout their journey. Storage is ample, with spacious saddlebags and a top case allowing riders to carry all necessary gear for extended trips. The K1600 GTL's blend of performance, comfort, and advanced technology makes it a top contender for those seeking a premium long-distance touring motorcycle. Number 3, Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX Performance. The Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX Performance is the perfect blend of sport bike agility and touring comfort, making it an excellent choice for riders who want both excitement and practicality. At its heart lies a 1043cc inline-4 engine that delivers an impressive 140 horsepower, ensuring rapid acceleration and a thrilling riding experience on open highways. Despite its power, the bike maintains smooth throttle response and linear power delivery, making long-distance travel effortless. The 6-speed transmission, combined with Kawasaki's quick shifter, allows for clutchless upshifts and downshifts, reducing fatigue during extended rides. To enhance touring comfort, Kawasaki has equipped the Ninja 1000 SX with a range of rider-focused features. The electronic cruise control helps maintain consistent speeds on highways, reducing wrist strain, while multiple riding modes adapt the bike's power output to different road conditions. The full-color TFT display ensures easy readability, providing essential ride data, while smartphone connectivity allows for seamless navigation, music control, and call alerts. The adjustable windscreen and aerodynamic fairing work together to minimize wind resistance, enhancing stability at high speeds. Additionally, the integrated panniers offer ample storage space for luggage and essentials, making it a great companion for long-distance adventures. With its perfect combination of performance, comfort, and touring capability, the Ninja 1000 SX Performance stands out as a top contender for riders looking to travel far without compromising on speed and excitement. Number 4, Ducati Multistrada 54S. The Ducati Multistrada 54S redefines versatility in the touring segment. Its 1158cc V4 Gran Turismo engine delivers a potent 170 horsepower, ensuring rapid progress across varied terrains. The Multistrada V4S is notable for its advanced radar technology, providing adaptive cruise control and blind spot detection, enhancing safety during long journeys. The bike's skyhook suspension system continuously adjusts damping to maintain optimal comfort and handling, regardless of road conditions. Ergonomically, the Multistrada offers an upright seating position, adjustable seat height, and comprehensive wind protection, making it suitable for extended rides. Its 6.5-inch TFT display integrates navigation, media, and phone connectivity, ensuring riders have all necessary information at their fingertips. With its blend of performance, technology, and comfort, the Multistrada Vi 4S is a compelling choice for long-distance travel. Number 5. Triumph Tiger 850 Sport. The Triumph Tiger 850 Sport is built for riders who crave adventure and long-distance comfort. Powered by an 888cc inline-3 engine, it delivers 94 horsepower, ensuring a smooth yet powerful ride on highways and winding roads alike. The bike's refined throttle response and well-tuned fuel injection system make acceleration effortless, reducing rider fatigue on extended journeys. Its 6-speed transmission ensures optimal power distribution, making it efficient for both city cruising and long-haul travel. Comfort is a key highlight of the Tiger 850 Sport. Its upright riding position, adjustable windscreen, and plush, ergonomically designed seat make long rides far less tiring. The suspension system is carefully tuned to provide a balance between stability and shock absorption, ensuring a smooth ride over different terrains. Advanced technology such as multiple riding modes, traction control, and a high-visibility TFT display enhances both safety and convenience. With optional luggage accessories, this bike becomes a versatile and reliable touring companion, perfect for riders who love to explore the open road without compromise. Number 6. Honda Goldwing 1800. The Honda Goldwing 1800 has long been a benchmark in luxury touring motorcycles. Its 1,833cc flat-six engine delivers smooth, ample power, ensuring effortless cruising even at high speeds. With 126 horsepower and 125 lb-ft of torque, the Goldwing glides over highways with ease, making long-distance travel a pleasure. Its shaft drive system reduces maintenance needs, and the DCT or dual-clutch transmission option allows for seamless automatic shifting, enhancing comfort for riders who prefer a relaxed journey. Comfort is a priority on the Goldwing. It features a plush, ergonomically designed seat, ample legroom, and an electronically adjustable windscreen, all of which contribute to a fatigue-free riding experience. The advanced infotainment system includes navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, ensuring riders stay connected and entertained. Storage is also well thought out, with spacious saddlebags and a top case making it perfect for carrying luggage on long trips. With its refined engineering, high-end technology, and unmatched comfort, the Goldwing remains one of the most sought-after motorcycles for long-distance travel. Number 7. Honda NT 1100. If the Goldwing is the king of luxury, then the Honda NT 1100 is its more agile, sportier sibling. Designed for those who want a balanced blend of comfort, agility, and touring capability, the NT 1100 is powered by a 1084cc parallel twin engine producing 101 horsepower and 77 lb-ft of torque. This engine, borrowed from the Africa Twin, is tuned to deliver smooth, torquey performance, ideal for long highway cruises and winding back roads. The NT 1100 comes with a long list of touring features. It has aerodynamically designed fairings and an adjustable windscreen providing excellent wind protection. Its heated grips, cruise control, and multiple riding modes ensure a comfortable and controlled ride in various conditions. The suspension setup, featuring a 43mm Showa inverted fork and a rear shock, offers a plush ride, soaking up road imperfections with ease. With integrated panniers for storage and an upright, comfortable seating position, the NT 1100 is a fantastic choice for riders who want a versatile, all-around touring machine that is equally at home on long highways and city streets. These 7 motorcycles redefine what it means to travel in comfort, performance, and style. From the high-tech Yamaha Tracer 9 GT Plus to the luxurious BMW K1600 GTL and the iconic Honda Goldwing, each bike is built to handle the challenges of long-distance touring while providing top-tier comfort and reliability. Which of these motorcycles do you think is the best for long-distance travel? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.